Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am here to show you guys the Invicta Kazan, the GA model. So the GA model is going to be slightly more contemporary style than the other Kazan model. So you'll notice here that the front door is a full glass front, which gives it a very contemporary look. So the Invicta line is imported from France. So this is going to be a full cast iron stove. It's pretty handy because it is available as a top or a rear vent option on the stove, and that'll actually be able to be changed right on site. So this is your front door. It's got a nice clean front, huge glass viewing area with a fully gasketed firebox door. Inside the firebox, again, it is a full cast iron model. So the sides, the rear, the top, and the bottom of the stove is cast iron. So you do have a nice cast iron grate located here in the bottom. You do have an ash lip located here, right in the front. So this is gonna keep your log from rolling forward. Your ash pan pulls out. Inside the ash pan of the stove is going to be your top plate if you want to switch from a top to a rear vent. So that'll plug the opening on the stove. Now in this particular model, you do have two damper controls. Your top damper control is going to open and close this. This is going to be noted as your air wash. So this air wash is what's going to keep the glass burning nice and clean. Located here on the bottom of the stove is going to be your primary damper control. This open and closes a port directly below the firebox. So again, the bottom damper control is what's going to bring combustion air from in underneath the firebox. This makes it super, super easy to get your fire started. So overall, I'm very impressed with the quality of the Invicta stoves. Very beautiful, very well built. The French do a really great job. So I hope you guys find this video overview helpful. If you do, if you like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends. Don't forget to click subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.